Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Kenjay, and we are here with another video. Thank you guys for stopping by. Today we are going to be doing a little bit something different with my hair. I feel like within the past year, I've been experimenting with doing different colors in my hair. I was blonde over the summer, then I went to pink. But now I want to take my hair to another level. So I've been doing some research. All I really want to do is lift the color of my hair. I don't want to be blonde. I want to have like this really nice, rich, chocolate brown hair. And so I've been kind of doing a little bit of stuff on YouTube and like looking at other people's videos, and I have decided that the method that I'm going to choose is the one that I'm going to go for, and so hopefully it'll work. I don't know what is going to happen when I do this method, but I'm going to let you know what I'm going to be doing. So in order for me to lift my hair, I obviously need to use a developer, and so I'm using a 30 developer that I got from Sally's with some baking soda. So I watched this girl's YouTube and her hair looked so beautiful. Like the color was amazing, and I was like, I want my hair to be a little bit like that, not as light but maybe a little darker. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix the developer with some baking soda to kind of like lighten up my hair a little bit. As you can see, I have some leftover still from when I was blonde that I haven't really gotten chopped off yet, but the rest of my hair is like, it's black, you know, so it's gonna require me to kind of use some power in order for me to get some of that color to lift. And so what I'm really hoping for is a great result. If not, obviously, you know, hair is hair, it grows back, and I could do something different. But I'm hoping for a success for this method. I've only really just decided to do it today. I didn't have any thoughts about it before, but you know, I'm like, okay, this is the time, like I'm ready to try something new with my hair. I've been trying to grow my hair to be curly, so I'm really glad that it's curly right now, because I think curly hair with like this really nice brown color is gonna be super amazing for spring, and I just want to do something different with my hair, quite honestly. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through the whole process and not really show you guys like the step-by-step. So all I'm really gonna do is just make the paste for my hair, leave it in my hair for like 30 minutes, and then wash it out and see what the results are. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. Obviously I'm wearing some, you know, clothes that if I do get stuff on my shirt, that it won't be fine to stain, because I work out in this anyway. So wish me luck, you guys. I'm about to go and do this, and I'm kind of nervous, kind of excited, but whatever. We're gonna get this done. It's gonna look amazing. I'll check back with you guys really soon. All right, you guys, and I'm back, and here is the final result. I don't know what the lighting's really doing to my hair, but it's definitely a lot lighter than what I see in my viewer. But I kind of want to like show you guys that it did lift the color a lot. What I did after I had the developer and the baking soda in my hair, I only left it on for 30 minutes. Probably even less than 30 minutes, because I really felt that it was just time. I like took off my cap, and I was like, I think I need to like just wash this out of my hair. So it was just like a much brown, it was very light, very brown, and I was like, okay, I kind of want to tone it down just a little bit. So I ended up using some conditioner plus a little bit of the purple Manic Panic, and I mixed it together just so I can tone or get a little bit of the brassiness out of my hair. So I ended up leaving the conditioner and also the mixture of the conditioner in my hair for about an hour. And so this is what the final look looks like. So you guys can see, as you can tell, like I think there's still some spots that you can see that, you know, kind of missed a little, but I like it because I like the brown with the mix of the black, and it just, I just wanted to kind of like lighten my hair, and so I think it looks really great. I'm gonna end up getting a haircut soon anyway, so I need to kind of get my fade going and like trim some of like the ends. But at the end of the day, I'm really happy with the result. I think what I'm gonna do is, because of the lighting, I don't know if you guys can really see the full effect of my hair. So what I'm gonna do is wait till the morning and give you guys a little bit of a reveal of the hair in natural lighting and see what it looks like in natural lighting, because very curious of what it will look like in natural lighting. But I'm really excited about this hair and what I did, and so I'm not really mad about it. Excited to rock something new because I got super tired of just having like my black hair. I literally wanted to do something different with my hair, and so I'm gonna rock the brown for a little bit and see what the next thing I do with my hair. I just love expressing myself with different things with my hair, so I'm so happy with the result. So I'll catch you guys in the morning once so you guys can see my natural hair in natural lighting. So I'll see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. It's me again. It's the morning after, and so I wanted to show you guys what my hair looked like in natural lighting. So go ahead and take a look. So it has like a bit of like a reddish tone, not so red, but still has like that brown red, like auburny kind of feel, and I'm actually really liking it. I actually wore an outfit that would kind of complement my hair for today, so I'm really loving the results of it. It's not the color that I wanted to really achieve, but I'm okay with how it came out, so I'm gonna rock this for a little bit. If you've ever used overtone like color, I've been actually wanting to try some of their newest colors that they came out for fall. So like the rich browns, like the dark espresso brown or like the honey brown. Those are the colors that I was trying to kind of, hopefully it would have come with my hair with the results of the developer and the baking soda, but you know, it's all right. It's all in the name of experimentation. So I'm happy with the result, but I'm definitely going to be using an overtone in the next couple of weeks just to see how it works with the color and me, how I lifted my hair and how the color takes to my hair. So definitely look out for that video. But this is it, you guys. This is my hair. This is how it turned out. I hope that you guys like my hair. I love my hair. And if you thought this video was helpful, definitely like my video down below and also subscribe. Thanks for coming with me on this journey and, you know, listening to me talk about me changing my hair. But until next time, you guys, I will see y'all later, and take care.